Are you looking for the ultimate magical stay near Disneyland? Wondering which hotel in Anaheim offers the most majestic experience like no other? Have you heard of the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel? If not, get ready to hear all about it, why I love it so much for my family of five. I love the amenities, the benefits of having the great room, and one thing that the hotel does that not many other places offer. So we're going to jump right over to the website and show you exactly what I am talking about. The Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel. I always feel like I butchered the name, so I want to make sure that I get it right. This hotel is absolutely fantastic. The benefits of staying at this hotel are going to be none like you can even believe. First off, they have so many different room and options that you can get. Let's jump over to the rooms and I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So when you jump over to the website, you can see all the different rooms they offer. Everything from a standard hotel room all the way down to a majestic hotel suite. My favorite thing about this hotel is that they offer a castle bunk bed. These bunk beds are fantastic. They are going to be a full size from the top and the bottom. Our kids loved staying in them. We stayed in such a big room. We stayed in the castle bunk rooms, the castle bunk room. We were able to have a bed for my husband and myself. I think it was like a full or a king. And then the bunk beds were on the other side. And we were actually able to bring in a rollaway bed for our daughter to sleep in. So there was enough room for everybody in this room. And the windows were overlooking the garden and it was absolutely gorgeous. So these rooms are really big. I love that they have this offer. The other thing that is really great about this hotel and the accommodation specifically are all the amenities that they offer. They have an on-site arcade room, which I think is absolutely fantastic. You can take a look at it here. They have pool tables, they have video games, they have a fitness room, and then they have a gorgeous heated pool and hot tub outside, which is really, really nice. And the gardens to walk around the property are absolutely beautiful. So remember I was telling you about that one thing that this hotel offers that not many other hotels do? Well, what they have is it is a shuttle. It's a free shuttle, and they are able to take you directly right over to the front of Disneyland. And it's actually a lot of fun. I'm going to see if I can find the picture of it here. So remember I was telling you about something that this hotel offers that not many others do? Well, they have a free shuttle service that will take you directly to Disneyland Resort. This dream shuttle is free of use. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's actually a lot of fun. It's kind of like going on like a little road trip with a whole bunch of people that just love Disney, and that's all they're doing. So they are the reservations aren't needed for the shuttle. It runs I believe that there are certain times that they run. I would definitely check with the front desk. But you jump on the shuttle, it's air conditioned, they take you right to the front doors, and it's absolutely great. Strollers are allowed on it's the Dream Machine shuttle, which I love the name, as long as space is available. And this shuttle is also wheelchair accessible. So again, they offer this and it's absolutely free of charge. And it's a great service to take over to Disneyland Resort. I love this hotel. It's really clean. The accommodations are absolutely fantastic. And they even have their own princess. They have a Princess Serene. I love this. Again, not many other hotels in the area are going to offer this. When you go to different hotels in the Anaheim area, it's here's your room, maybe here's a free breakfast, maybe free parking. But this place offers everything to make it feel like a little vacation away when you're taking a day off from Disneyland, which I highly recommend doing. If you're there for 5 days, book one day where it's just a down day. This is where you can really take advantage of all the really great amenities that the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel offers. The other really great thing that they do is they have an on-site laundry service, which if you're a mom with kids or even yourself and you eat, get food on yourself or whatever it is, they have a laundry service where you can do your own laundry there. You want to know a little tip? I always bring in my own Tide Pods and dryer sheets in Ziploc bags. That way I don't have to buy a giant thing of laundry soap when I'm on vacation or have to use or purchase some over in the laundry rooms, which can sometimes get expensive. So I absolutely love this hotel. We stayed there, I believe it's like for 4 days, and it was the absolute best. They are partners with Getaway Today, which you can go on to getawaytoday.com/TGHP10, and I'll put that link in the comments below. That way you can book with them. And they are also a Good Neighbor hotel. So what does that mean? Good Neighbors Hotel with Disneyland's are Disneyland approved hotels, meaning they want to make sure that the amenities are great, it's clean, they're really great reviews, and you can also purchase your Disneyland tickets from them, but make sure that you get your reservation as well. For all these reasons and so many more, I definitely recommend using the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel for your next Disney vacation. And let us know what you think. Have you stayed there before? It's a really great place. I love it. And the Dream Shuttle is one of a kind. I highly recommend everybody using it. Take care, guys. Bye.